In today's video, we're going to check out the best budget action cameras in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these action cameras, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Apeman A80 4K action camera. The market for action cameras is getting crowded every day, with a lot of options coming in with various performances and various prices. The A80 is an incredible 4K action camera from Apeman with a very affordable price. It comes in an attractive package with a battery, mounts and stands, which I'll dive deeper in this review. A great option for getting into the action camera world. The Apeman A80 4K action camera impresses with its listed specs. First of all, it has a large enough sensor for capturing 4K video at 24 frames per second, and moreover, it can shoot QHD at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 30 and 60 FPS, and finally 720p at 30, 60 and even 120 FPS. On top of all this, you have the option of shooting in WVGA in 30 FPS. The Apeman A80 has a classic action camera look with a textured body and a large lens. Its control buttons are on the side and it has an orange button on the front. The 4K video is captured at 2880 by 2160 resolution and uses 24 MBs data rate, which is a little low for this resolution, but it means that a 32GB micro SD card will be able to record 178 minutes of footage. This camera is also able to capture stills at a 20MP quality with interpolation. In the package, you get tons of accessories which add further value to the product. It has a padded case, a waterproof housing which can handle 30 meters of depth, a clip mount with 2 adhesive plates, a mount specifically designed for tripods, a shirt clip, 3 different extension arms, clamp mount for bikes or car roll cages, cable ties, batteries, and a lot more. The company was very generous in the accessories department, which consumers really appreciate. The camera has various angle of view options ranging from 70 degrees to 170 degrees. That through all the testing, I noticed that for the price, the image quality was excellent, with good amount of detail and decent color reproduction. If you want to buy your first action camera, the Apeman A80 4K action camera is your best choice. With its decent 4K quality and included accessories, it'll get you started right. At number 4, it's the GoPro Hero Plus. The leader for action camera brands, GoPro, which single-handedly created the market, has produced a large number of products. In this budget list, I've included an older model from GoPro, the Hero Plus. This model, despite being old, performs amazingly well. It has an ultra-wide field of view and you can mount it on anything you like. It is a great action camera for those in the budget range or for those that are just getting started. It has a classic GoPro design plus the LCD screen for added convenience. The camera is permanently in its rugged housing, which some advanced users may think is a disadvantage because if you manage to scratch the lens, you can't replace it. However, I think that the permanent casing will help new users, which will drop the device multiple times until they get the hang of it. And the device is tested, so it takes a lot of abuse without giving up. There is no removable battery in the GoPro Hero Plus, so if you run out of juice in the wilderness, you cannot charge it if you don't have a power bank or a similar device. Next to the LCD screen, there's a micro SD port which can house cards up to 64GB, and near that is the micro USB port for charging. Its permanent housing on top of the ruggedness is also waterproof for up to 40 meters, while the waterproof back door can go down up to 10 meters. There are a lot of shooting options in the GoPro Hero Plus, including the 1080p mode at 60 frames per second and 720p at 60 FPS. And on top of this, with the GoPro Super View feature, you get 720p at 60 FPS at the taller 16:9 format. Moreover, in low light conditions, you can activate GoPro's Auto Low Light feature, which drops the frame rate so your videos aren't too dark in dimly lit rooms or ambience. The GoPro Hero Plus provided excellent footage through testing, and you won't be disappointed with the quality of your footage. It'll make a good camera for casual weekend activities, and it can even provide good footage for YouTube. At number 3 is the Runme R3. The Runme R3 action camera does everything that its high-end peers do, but at an affordable price. It offers 4K ultra-high definition resolution, a great LCD touchscreen, and amazing casing that makes it fully waterproof, built-in Wi-Fi, and very convenient and useful software that'll please you. The Runme R3 is multiple times better than its price would suggest. The Runme R3 is a beautifully designed 4K action camera available in 2 color schemes, black and white. The white was my favourite as it looked more premium than the black model. It has a rectangular shape built with a nice smooth plastic body and rounded edges. In front of the camera you'll spot the lens, which is very large thanks to its huge sensor that provides amazing 4K video. On top of the device you'll also locate the power and shutter button, which are very easy to find. On the rear you'll find the 2.45-inch LCD touchscreen, which is more refined and advanced than its predecessor, as it allows for easy and smooth operation of the control panel. You can access every function easily, and the touchscreen was very responsive. Despite being very small, you can review your photos and videos from that screen easily, as it provides excellent detail. When you pair it with the included waterproof package, the Runme R3 becomes a great underwater camera that can go as deep as 30 meters without any damage to the device. Moreover, in the package you'll get the charger for the rechargeable batteries that are also included in the bundle, which doubles the fun as you can take 2 batteries in case one runs out of power. Thanks to its lens, the Runme R3 is capable of recording video and photo in 4K 170-degree wide view, which makes for excellent footage of landscapes. This is a perfect camera for action lovers, as it provides excellent and smooth footage and image even in extreme movements, thanks to its built-in electronic image stabilization with a 3-axis gyroscope, which can be activated before starting the recording. With its built-in Wi-Fi and the OK Cam app, you can connect the device to your phone easily to share your moments instantly. At number 2, it's the Campark X20. Since the GoPro first introduced the action camera concept, tons of Chinese manufacturers have put their designs for sale, and most of them have been not so good. However, this changes with Campark, also a Chinese company, that's produced an affordable and excellent action camera with touchscreen, 4K resolution, and an awesome set of features that provide the best value for its price in this list. In the package of the device you get some accessories including a carrying pouch, a waterproofing casing that allows the camera to go up to 30 meters deep, 2 1050 mAh batteries, a variety of mounts so you can mount it on your helmet, a bike, and many other places, and interestingly there's also a remote control which is also waterproof and is a convenient tool to have, and well, also just adds to the fun. The build quality of the Campark X20 is decent. It's made out of hard textured plastic and it doesn't feel cheap. On the front of the device you can find the lens, a small display that shows the recording time, and a power or mode button. On the rear you'll find the 2-inch touchscreen, which has a better sensitivity than its price would suggest and provides good control to the interface of the camera. But if you don't want to use the touchscreen, you have small physical buttons to navigate as well. You can connect the camera with your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and once connected you can control your camera from your smartphone. Its app is available for both Android and iOS devices. It also has amazing image stabilization that can be used at 4K with 24 FPS, 2K with 30 FPS, and 1080p at 60 FPS, and throughout testing, it worked perfectly. Its image quality is excellent as its CPU records great interpolated 4K footage in wide angles. It may not be native 4K, but it is still excellent for that price, with good sharpness and good color reproduction, and it was exceptional during the daytime. If you want the most value for your product, then only Campark X20 can please you. And at number 1, it's the Akaso EK7000. On top of our list, we have an excellent product designed and manufactured by Akaso that'll not burn a hole in your pocket and will provide you an awesome action camera experience that you'd normally only get on high-end models. This is the EK7000. This camera is able to shoot footage at 4K resolution, capture stills at 16 megapixels, has tons of extra accessories in the package, it's easy to use, and it's extra affordable. It really doesn't get better than this. With a simple and generic action camera design, the Akaso EK7000 doesn't aim to stand out with its looks. The company has done a great job of reducing the costs in the design department to give an excellent overall package. The camera has 4 buttons in total: the shutter button, the enter button for the menu, the mode button which switches between shooting modes such as photo, video, burst, time-lapse and settings, and the mode button also functions as a back button in the menu, and as a set of up and down buttons for navigation through the menu. In the package of the device you'll find the waterproof casing that works pretty well, but without the device it's not even splash-proof, so beware. The camera is pretty easy to use with similar controls to other action cameras that we're used to now, and are very convenient. The Akaso EK7000 also has built-in Wi-Fi that can be enabled via the settings menu easily, and once enabled, the remote that's also included in the package provides control of the device. The device is able to capture footage in different resolutions such as 1080p at 60 FPS and 30 FPS, 4K at 25 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, and 720p at 120 FPS and 60 FPS, and switching between them is very easy and quick. The overall quality of the footage taken with the Akaso EK7000 is very good indeed. It provided sharp 4K images with good amount of colours, and it also was capable of shooting great wide-angle photos and videos. The audio quality captured by the Akaso EK7000 was also pretty good for its price. However, with the waterproof casing installed, it does sound a little muddy. Overall though, this is the definite best budget action camera. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.